Today we're unboxing the Fat Bear 750S model. Let's take a look inside. Right on the top they placed the instruction manual, the seat post that's very well packed, a box that contains one 3-way hex Allen wrench spanner and a wrench, and of course the charger. 48 volts rated, 2 amps speed. I wish it was a little stronger, a little faster. Putting the bike together was so easy and fast versus unwrapping. I think this was so far the most wrapped product I had come across. The Yamee looks impressively well built. It has a wide and strong forged aluminum frame designed to handle extreme off-road. It is equipped with rear and front lights. I was not expected to see the rear brake signal here. 20 by 4 inch all-terrain fat tires. Brakes are front and rear 180mm hydraulic disc brakes for better control and instant stopping, a big size crankset that will allow you to build up and maintain higher speeds, a very comfortable seat. I'm impressed about these grips. They have a leather premium feel. Grips are better than more expensive bikes I have tried in the past. The control panel is well positioned and easy to use. The 4.3-inch Retina color LCD display, it's so colorful and super bright, easy to read even in a sunny daylight. Later, I'll get into the hidden menu that unlocks more options and more power. A solid rear rack allowing you to store heavy loads. The folding frame design is an ideal choice for travelers and commuters or anyone who needs an easy to store and easy to move transportation option. Front suspension, reducing riding impact, keeping the tires firmly on the ground. Shimano CS HG31 A cassette 8-speed freewheel enables you to shift to a higher cog for uphill riding and easy downshift even at high speeds. All of this makes Yamee feel like a more complete off-road beast than a traditional city e-bike. This past weekend I took this bike out into Central Park to test hill climbing, power output and control over wet, muddy surfaces and snow. I rode the bike with motor power alone and power assist. The best results I was able to achieve using power assist. The bike climbed all the hills I found in this area and was so easy. I'll add here a clip that I tested 2 years ago with the Baja board in the same area just to show you how steep the hill was, and this model handled with no problems.
Yeah. Just so you guys can see, it doesn't look that steep from up there, but down here, that's a pretty big mountain.
I rode this bike in the thick melting snow and it handled so well. It was so easy and so comfortable. Turned this ride into a fun experience. Off-road or in the city, this bike will shine on both sides. The 750 watt motor and the 14.5 amp battery will get you from point A to point B fast and easy, especially in a sport mode. But if you're looking for a ride or just a hardcore workout, since it's pandemic and we need to social distance and you don't have access to a gym, this bike will replace your Peloton machine. I would like to point out the folding mechanism by the stem. It's really impressive, really caught my eye, so I would like to show you how well it's built. Here if you take a look, the entire hinge sticks out, and actually when you press it back in, it grabs both sides. It looks very sturdy, very firm, and very secure. I like the pedals actually folds in so you can better fold the bike. You have this USB by the LCD display that actually allows you to charge your phone on the go. Now this cables by the handlebars and all around the bike, under the frame, and going down to the hub motor. Yes, they do have this quick waterproof connectors, but why not have all this wiring inside the frame? It will make this bike look so much better. The charging port is placed right by the middle of the frame, which is very convenient and easy to charge, but I wish the charger was a little bit faster. Running this e-bike through the city, first, it's so much safer, so much easier, faster, and more comfortable versus running an e-board. This Yamee can keep up with the traffic no problem. Versus an e-board, you have increased control while riding. You can jump off the curves, in and out, change directions faster, and have so much more control. Range. I covered 30 miles in a max assist, that's the 5th level. I weigh 210 pounds. In level 3 assist, you'll get close to 50-55 miles in range. Range will depend on your weight, weather condition, incline, and how much and how intense you pedal. Top speed. I reached 32 miles an hour pedaling on the more intense side. Throttle alone will get you 26 miles an hour going slight uphill. On a flats, 27-28 miles an hour. I love the cruise control option. The Yamee Fat Bear 750S feels faster and more powerful than XL 750 model that I previously reviewed. Let's go over things that I like and dislike about this model. Things that I like. Front shock, so much better quality. It does not rebound back hard into the handlebars as XL 750 model. Super soft and smooth action. Number 2, the key. The safety feature is really cool and hidden on the bike. I really like that. Number 3, more speed and more power output. And 4, converting this bike to full suspension. Improvements needed and things that I don't like. Number 1, I already mentioned the wiring around the frame needs to be hidden inside the frame. Number 2, the rear frame shock can be a bit softer or replaced with a unit that can have a valve and adjustments. And finally, number 3, we need a faster charger. Press in same time plus and minus, and then I hit select. You go in display settings, and you can go into advanced settings, and you press an I button, and here you have the wheel size, and you can adjust that. Speed limit, it shows 31 miles, and there's a bunch of settings here. And assist, you can actually go higher. Voltage, power set, go the highest one, 0 to 9. So let's select that one, the percentage wise, and 9 being 100%. So let's select that there. So power assist, slow start, you can go up to 3. So you can really set this bike to go faster. I believe this gets you back and exit. So now let's check. So you have up to 9 modes. So I believe this will get you going faster. These are the hidden settings you get on the display, and I'm actually pretty surprised by the brightness of the screen. I think this is the most brightest screen I have ever tried on any e-bike. If you live in New York or you have a smaller apartment and you don't have much room for an e-bike, Yamee 750 can be your solution. It folds or unfolds in under 30 seconds. This model folded, it's only 30 by 40 inches. If you're a traveler or you have a small apartment, this is one of the best solutions for you. I need to mention that this is a Class 2 e-bike, a model Challenger. It has a cruise control option, so if you maintain your speed for 5 seconds at the same level, it will lock in and maintain that speed. Charging time is 4 to 5 hours. I haven't mentioned the iPass technology option that actually regens when you pedal, cruise or brake, and actually works pretty well. If you're looking for a commuting bike that can handle any terrain or any weather condition, Yamee is the one to consider. It packs a lot of features and I think it's very reasonably priced. Despite the things that need improvement, I still like this bike a lot. Riding 750S is a fun and fantastic workout. The features this bike has and the quality of the components, also being able to upgrade, for example getting a nicer mid-frame shock, will make this ride even more fun, either you're off-roading or just daily commuting. This was my review of the 750S Yamee e-bike. Please like and share this video if you find it informative and helps you in narrowing down the search for your perfect e-bike. I'll place below the links where I purchased it. Always ride with protection gear, be safe, and I'll see you next time.